Every year, millions of students apply for scholarships. Many of them have good grades, impressive achievements, and big dreams. Yet only a small percentage receive the scholarship they applied for. The surprising part is that many applications are rejected not because the students aren't qualified, but because they make avoidable mistakes. A weak personal statement, missing documents, or failing to follow simple instructions can cost you thousands of dollars in financial aid. If you're planning to apply for a scholarship, this video could save you from making those costly mistakes. Today, I'm going to share practical scholarship secrets that can help you build a stronger application and improve your chances of standing out. So let's begin. Winning a scholarship isn't only about having perfect grades. Scholarship committees look at the complete picture. They want students who demonstrate academic ability, leadership, commitment, and a clear vision for their future. A successful scholarship application is the result of careful preparation, thoughtful writing, and attention to detail. Throughout this presentation, we'll go through each step that can help strengthen your application. Why scholarship applications get rejected. Let's begin by understanding why many scholarship applications fail. The first reason is incomplete applications. Missing even one required document can result in automatic rejection. Another common problem is submitting generic personal statements. Scholarship committees read hundreds or even thousands of essays. If your essay sounds like it could be sent to any scholarship program, it won't leave a lasting impression. Some applicants also have weak academic achievements compared to other candidates. While grades aren't everything, they are still an important factor for many scholarships. Another mistake is forgetting required materials, such as recommendation letters, transcripts, or certificates. Many students also apply too late. Waiting until the deadline often leads to rushed work and unnecessary mistakes. Finally, many applicants simply ignore the instructions. Every scholarship has different requirements, and failing to follow them tells reviewers that you didn't pay attention to details. What scholarship committees look for. Now let's talk about what scholarship committees actually want. First, they value strong academic performance. Good grades show that you're capable of succeeding in your studies. Next is leadership experience. This doesn't always mean being class president. Leadership can include organizing events, leading a team project, mentoring younger students, or taking initiative in your community. Another important factor is community involvement. Volunteer work demonstrates responsibility, compassion, and a willingness to contribute to society. Scholarship reviewers also appreciate applicants with clear career goals. They want to understand what you hope to achieve and how the scholarship will help you reach those goals. For some scholarships, financial need is also considered. If applicable, explain your circumstances honestly and respectfully. Finally, committees always appreciate a well-written application. Clear writing, proper grammar, and thoughtful organization create a positive impression. Build a strong scholarship profile. Winning a scholarship begins long before you submit your application. Start by maintaining good grades. Consistent academic performance demonstrates dedication and discipline. Next, join extracurricular activities. Sports, student organizations, clubs, competitions, and academic societies all help build your profile. You should also volunteer in your community. Scholarship providers often look for students who make a positive impact beyond the classroom. Developing leadership skills is another valuable investment. Look for opportunities to organize projects or take responsibility within your school or community. Don't forget to earn certificates through workshops, competitions, online courses, or training programs that relate to your interests. Finally, keep track of your achievements. Save copies of certificates, awards, volunteer hours, and accomplishments so they're easy to include when you apply. Write a winning personal statement. For many scholarships, the personal statement is the most important part of your application. Begin with a compelling introduction that immediately captures the reader's attention. Then, share your personal journey. Explain the experiences that have shaped your education, challenges you've overcome, or moments that inspired your goals. Clearly explain your future goals. Scholarship committees want to know how their investment will help you make a meaningful contribution. Be sure to highlight your achievements, but don't simply list them. Explain why they matter and what you learned from each experience. Most importantly, show why you deserve the scholarship. Connect your goals, achievements, and determination to the purpose of the scholarship program. Finally, end with confidence. Leave the committee with a memorable conclusion that reinforces your commitment to your education and future. Scholarship application mistakes to avoid. Now let's look at some common mistakes. Never copy the same essay for every scholarship. Each program has different values and selection criteria. Always respect the word limit. Writing too much or too little shows that you didn't follow instructions. Avoid grammar and spelling mistakes. Even strong applicants can create a poor impression with careless errors. Another major mistake is missing deadlines. Late applications are often rejected automatically. Don't underestimate the importance of recommendation letters. Choose people who know you well and can genuinely describe your strengths and achievements. Finally, always proofread your entire application before submitting it. Reading it one more time can help you catch mistakes you missed earlier. Organize your scholarship documents. Being organized can reduce stress and help you submit a complete application. Prepare your academic transcripts well in advance. Request your recommendation letters early so your teachers or mentors have enough time to write thoughtful letters. Update your resume, or CV, with your latest achievements and experiences. Complete your personal statement before the deadline so you have time to revise it. Keep copies of all your certificates and supporting documents in one folder. Finally, prepare your identification documents and any additional paperwork required by the scholarship provider. Organization saves time and helps prevent last-minute problems. Before you submit, you're almost finished, but don't rush the final step. Review every requirement listed by the scholarship provider. Check your application carefully for spelling, grammar, and formatting errors. Confirm that every required document has been attached. Verify your contact information so the scholarship committee can reach you if necessary. Submit your application before the deadline instead of waiting until the last minute. Finally, save copies of everything you submit for your own records. These simple final checks can make the difference between a complete application and an incomplete one. Key takeaways. Let's quickly review today's scholarship secrets. Always follow every instruction carefully. Tailor each application to the specific scholarship instead of sending the same materials everywhere. Write an authentic personal statement that reflects your experiences and goals. Showcase your achievements, leadership, and community involvement. Proofread every document before submitting it. And whenever possible, submit your application early. Remember, scholarships are competitive, but preparation gives you an advantage. A thoughtful, organized, and personalized application helps scholarship committees see not only your accomplishments, but also your potential. I hope these scholarship tips help you build a stronger application and move one step closer to achieving your educational goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and share it with friends or classmates who are planning to apply for scholarships. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the very best with your scholarship applications. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.